Hey everyone! So we have this 2 video clips on the timeline. You can see? Now let's add the effect. To create an effect, go to the Project panel. Right-click. Go to New Item and click on Adjustment Layer. Now make sure the width is set to 1920 by 1080 and time base to 30 FPS. Now hit OK. Now drag and drop this adjustment layer above the video clips and extend it according to the video size. Now click on the adjustment layer and go to Effects panel and search for Futuristic Radial effect. You can see the effect. Drag and drop this effect on adjustment layer. You can see it's already applied, as I have already made this preset for you to make it easy. Now let's add the transition between 2 videos to give a smooth transition. Go to Effects and search for Flash Effect by Film Impacts. Now drag and drop this flash impact between the 2 clips. Now let's select all the clips and render it for smooth playback. Go to Sequence, Render into Out. Now let's see the final preview. It's amazing. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share this video, and I'll see you in the next video.